So we are currently patching a pipe at a client's house. This actually goes underneath and it connects to this pressure hose, and then we're gonna wrap it in this guy. We're gonna shove it down the pipe. And this is the resin that we use. And it should be a good time, so stay in touch. Now we are doing the other side. Luca is doing an amazing job painting a very nice picture. His artwork is getting a lot better. So
better than finger painting.
yeah, so this looks good. Now we are wrapping the packer. So this thing here, it's gonna actually inflate like double the size inside the pipe. And then Luca is just making a nice enchilada. Can't eat this, Luca.
Come on.
It's not lunch, it's not food. So this is the finished product. Now we are going to shove this in the pipe and get pipe patching.